Hey guys, it's Brandon Daniel here with the Dumbbell, and I'm going to show you guys the 3 best lower ab exercises that you can do. The great thing about all these exercises, you can do them at home, you can do them at a gym, and honestly, you can even do it during a lunch break at work. So all you would need is an exercise mat, and I'm going to show you the 3 exercises here in a second. But the first thing is understanding with lower abs, it's a very tricky area to work out. A lot of times when you go to the gym and you see equipment that they have there, a lot of that equipment usually focuses more on the upper part of the abs, or maybe even the mid part of the abs. So it's very tricky to actually know what you're doing to target your lower abs. Now, to see definition in the lower abs, it's not just about doing a bunch of exercises, even the ones that I'm going to show you. You have to make sure that your cardio is in order, and you have to make sure that your eating's under control. You have to make sure you're doing both of those things. So obviously making sure that you're eliminating all your fatty foods, saturated fats as much as possible, and processed foods with your diet. Drinking lots of water, of course, as well. And with your cardio, make sure you're doing interval training. I've noticed, and I've read many articles and did lots of research, and I've even noticed it myself. The more interval training that you do, the better results you're going to see, especially in your lower abs, because it's basically the hardest area actually of your abdominal areas to actually tone up and actually see results. We tend to keep a lot of our fat in that area. So when you are doing interval training on your own, make sure you're doing things that you're doing maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute of just going as fast as you can go, maybe on a treadmill, maybe on an elliptical or a bike, whatever that might be, and then just kind of taking it slow for a minute or two, and then going back again and as fast as you can go. So just doing more HIIT interval training is definitely the key when it comes to cardio. So now I'm going to show you the 3 best exercises that you can do that help tone up and strengthen your lower abs. The first one are leg lifts. So you're going to lay flat on your back, have your hands underneath your butt, keep your legs straight, and then we're just going to go up and down just like this. Now I have my head off the ground, but if that starts to bother your neck, feel free to have your head flat on the ground and bring your legs up and down still. But coming up right here will definitely take less pressure, or take less pressure off your back, but it will put it more in your neck, so be careful. Now the second exercise you're going to do is going to be a reverse crunch hip thrust. So again, we're going to keep our hands underneath our butt. We're going to bring our legs in like we're doing reverse crunches, but we're going to thrust up just like this. So keep those legs somewhat straight when you come out here. Bend them in, and then use that momentum to kick up and get your lower back a little off the ground, and definitely make sure you get your butt off the ground. You'll definitely feel that right here. So just like that. Now the third exercise is going to be 2 parts because we got to do each side. I'm going to show you this way. I think it's a better angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a reverse crunch to the side, upright reverse crunch to the side, I should say. So we're going to come up together and down together with your hands back here and having our legs somewhat slanted. So we're really trying to focus on that lower part of the abs and actually that V part right here of the lower abs. So we'll go to one side first, and then to switch it over, same thing, just go the opposite direction. Now you might be asking, well, how many reps should I do and how often should I do these exercises? Well, 3 sets is always a good number to shoot for. How many reps? Honestly, that's going to depend on your fitness level. I think if you can do a minimum of 15 to 20, but if you can do upwards of like 25, possibly even 30 reps on those exercises, you're definitely going to feel that in your lower abs. So just be careful it doesn't put too much pressure on your lower back. But other than that, if you can do that a few times a week, watch your eating, make sure you're getting your cardio workouts in, definitely going to see a big difference in your lower abdominal area. So we'd love to hear from you guys. So reach out to us on any of our social media network channels, and I'll see you guys next time.